Hi there and welcome back. So I've just come on to do a flip through of two new small kits. They can be add-ons to the gentleman kits that we already have out or the standalone ones. So this one is in Collage Types shop and this one is in my shop. So let's have a look at Nanine's. So we've got 4 nice journal cards there. Obviously you could cut them out that way and fold them in half, have that as your front. That would be back to front, but you could definitely do that with that one, or you could cut them that way and make little booklets or opening journal cards, or obviously you can cut them out separately, or you can make them into pockets. You know, it's endless. So we've got 3 large journal cards. Again, they can be side tucks, there can be belly bands. You can keep them as 3 or as 2 or as single ones. So that is those. Got a page of lovely bits and bobs. Got some of the rip strips. We've got mathematical equations on there. We've got road signs, all kinds of different numbers. So that's that one. I think I've not printed one of those out, but Denise at Junk Journal UK did a really good flip through of the kit, if you've seen that, and she printed it out all different sizes and things. So nice page of tickets in different sizes and colourways. Then we've got this full page of invoice ledger sheet. Again, you could do it 2 to a page, or you could do it 4 to a page and use these as backings for journal cards. That way for lap books and folios and altered books and things like that. Got this beautiful one. It's got the nice edging around it. So that's a William Morris one. And this one, it is supposed to be that way, but you could definitely use it that way if you was looking for portraits. We've got a nice wallpaper, very Halloweeny looking. This one reminds me. I've got some writing and some lines behind and lots of detail in that one. So then we've got these 6 different envelopes. So you could print on the other side, and then obviously you would have a nice inside of your envelope. You can cut these off if you want and make it into, you know, like a fold out type thing. You could glue that down and then fold it out. I did that I think on the last I can't remember what kit we did these envelopes in, but I did it with them. So that's that one. Then we've got this one. Obviously that one you can use landscape or portrait. This one you'd have to use landscape. I mean, obviously you can use it portrait, or you can cover that front up. You don't have to use images that are already there, and you can, you know, print them 2 to a page as well, and 4 if you wanted them really tiny. This is the same as that wallpaper one, so you can decorate the back of that. Got this nice tall one with a fountain pen, which you can obviously use portrait. Same with this one. We've got wood around it, and that wallpaper again in a darker shade, and then it's really faded here, and it's a bit lighter, and again you can obviously use that portrait. So that's the 6 envelopes, and then there's these 4 little cards. I've printed them on card, but you could, you know, print them on paper and just have them as little bits of paper. You could use them as flip ups, or just use them as journal cards. You could keep those together and have some kind of flip out with them. So that, I think there is a page missing out of there. I had already printed this kit and cut it up, so I've just printed it out again, but when I counted, I think there's a page missing. So that one was Nanine's kit. She's collage type, and her details will be in the description. I've been flicking ink about, so I've got bits of ink on it. Sorry about that little bit of sun peeping through. It's a lovely day. So this kit, it kind of created to do like a little folio with it, but you don't have to use it in that way. You could print these for two pages to a page, and you would get these, you know, 4 of them, so they could be journal cards. These 2 I'm actually going to decorate and use them as large journal cards. I'm just doing a file folder at the minute, and it's got some big pockets in, so these will be ideal for that. Otherwise, they're panels for folios and things like that. I will be doing a project with it. So that's those 2. So same print, just one's lighter and one's darker, and then we've got the lovely edging around. So then we've got this one, so lots of pens and ink, and then this plain one with all newspaper around it. Okay, we've got two gentlemen ones. We've got the colour of the original kit, and these newer ones have got these bits of grey in them. So there's bits in Nanine's kit and my kit what brings the grey into it. So that's that one. And we've got 2 plainer ones, which, you know, obviously you can use any size anyway. And these, you know, you don't have to use them that way. You can obviously use them that way. We use things, you know, all different ways in junk journals. So that's those. You could definitely, you know, fold these in half, obviously cut round. That could be, you know, a little notebook cover. Love this one. So again, you could have those any way. And the final of the actual sheet, see, these are a bit more in the grey. This is a beige, and it's got kind of a grey feel about it. So I think this one brings the beiges and the greys together. So that's that one. So they're the pages, if you want to call them that. Like I say, they could be large journal cards. Can do lots of things. So these can be washi strips. My idea was for the spine, for making folios. So I've got them in different sizes. You can use them as belly bands, page edge strips, lots of different ways. So that's that one. And we've got some journal cards. Again, you can, you know, cut them as 2 or as separate. So that's that. 2 bingo cards, some lovely men, and a map. got these like file journal cards, and the tabs are in different places. So if you wanted to use all 4, you'd have the tab there, tab there, tab there, and a tab there. So it'd be that staggered look. So that's those. I've got 4 pockets, and where's the tags? I've got some tags. Again, you can, you know, keep them together, separate them. You can cut the top bits off if you don't want those on, and add your own topper. So that's that. We've got some black labels with like a browny gold around them in 3 different sizes, and with the same but with writing on. So I've got gentlemen only, open immediately, approved and date, number. I've got some men's names, urgent, more men's names, ID, numbers, office closed, urgent, upon receipt. So some different ones from, you know, the original kits. Petty cash. Then we've got some lovely clocks. So I've got 4 different ones, 2 pocket watches and 2 clock faces. And then we've got 4 diagonal pockets, so 2 going that way and 2 going that way. So that is my portion of the kit. So again, it's 15 pages. So I've just done these 2 to a page, so you can see those. Love those in that size. I've done more clocks because I like more clocks. I've done another spine because I will want to stick one side of the spine to the other side of the spine. And then I've done all of them again onto paper. So, you know, to use for backing or collage. And these are on like a presentation paper. So it gives a different... That's cream, and then that's it's very like tea stained paper. So that's the colour difference. I've not done any on white. And then I've just printed more out on on card because I'm bound to want more of those. So they are now in the Etsy shop, and yeah, thanks for watching, and there'll be lots of videos coming up when I've cut all this out. So do keep tuned. Thank you very much, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.